Hi, my name is Desiree Garbin, and I am the general manager of Della's Kitchen in Delano, Las Vegas. But previous to management, I was a bartender for about 8 years. So today I am going to teach you how to make a margarita. Making a margarita starts with your tequila choice. That's going to be the base liquor in your cocktail. So does it matter what type of tequila you use? And it does. Generally, you're going to use a silver or a blanco tequila in your margaritas. And silver tequilas are going to be unaged. They're going to have the least complex flavors of tequilas, and that's what makes it go really well and balance the flavors in a margarita. If you want to go with something a little bit more robust, you would go with a reposado tequila, which is going to be kind of a golden colored tequila, which is aged from 2 months to a year. Or if you want something really robust and a little bit different, you're going to go with an añejo or a joven margarita. Epicurious.com says, when looking up the 7 best types of tequila to use in a margarita, for a classic margarita, we're just going to use Patron Silver. The next part of a tequila is obviously going to be the mixer. So you can buy store-bought mixers. Obviously, I have a couple of kind of fun flavored mixers in the house. But for a classic margarita, and really something that's just more refreshing, we're just going to use fresh limes and squeeze fresh limes into our margarita today. The fresh lime juice really maintains the proper balance of the sweetness that's already going to be in your agave-based tequilas. Next step of a margarita, obviously choosing the correct glassware, and salt or no salt. That's really a lot of personal preference, but for a really classic margarita, we're going to do a salted rim, and I just have a bowl of just classic rock salt. You can also go outside the box of margarita mixing and do a blend of salts. You can do like a rosemary infused, or you can get different herbs and spices and mix those together for your salt rim, and that really creates a more creative cocktail as well.